In the early hours of the 1st of May 2024, incidents involving the throwing of petrol bombs occurred at three separate locations across the city. The targeted areas reportedly included the Rynjah and the Sadar police stations, as well as the office of the Meghalaya Government Construction Corporation or the MGCC in Lumshatsngi, Laban. Surveillance footage revealed that watchmen and MGCC staff successfully extinguished the flames caused by one of the petrol bombs, preventing property damage or injuries. Authorities are actively investigating into the incidents, and security measures have been heightened in various district locations. As of the time of reporting, no damage or casualties have been reported.
Yesterday they just come from here, two of them, two boys of them, with bike or scooty. They came from here. They just threw a petrol bomb from there outside, from outside to office, and they just after we hear a noise, we came out. We just find one boy was standing there. So I was shouting. Then they just ran away. So I was thought to chase them, but from my side, I thought to go back better for fire first. We won then we done language. My wife was there, me and one of the chokidar. We are both chokidar are there. So we try to put that fire down. So after that fire goes down, then we just call cops. After that, cops and all they have came, and they just take everything. They take photo and all, and whatever they have got, the evidence. So after that we just call of one of our officer, Rynjah and Laban. They came here and they was looking for what happened, like what's going on. So after that, after looking at everything, they said, okay, from now today, it's like be careful. They also be careful and take care of everything. And from today, like they will take action. I don't know what they will say. So we just get to know.